How to change your voice on Discord mobile. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up Discord. Now log in into your account. After signing in, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Now click on settings at the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on voice. Now on this page you can find few options to fine tune your voice, but it won't be able to change your voice on Discord, even if you open up Game Assistant on your device. As you know, Game Assistant have voice Game Assistants have voice changer feature inbuilt in them. But as you can see, when you tap on three dots, tap on Manage My Games, you won't be able to add Discord to Game Assistant. So it's not possible to change voice on Discord mobile app. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.